Now, this next first aid kit is this one from SurviveX. So, similar to the other one, you have a reflective patch, you have a buckle, so this can easily attach to a hiking backpack or to the back of a car. It doesn't seem like it includes a shoulder strap, so it's not going to be the best for carrying around your shoulder, but you do have two handles on the side here, and as well as buckle straps on the back here as well. Now, you also have what I noticed like additional room to place miscellaneous items in here if you wanted to as well. So I thought that was a pretty neat thing to actually add on. And you also have a front pocket as well for, again, just whatever you want to add, like papers or something. Now, if we go ahead and open this up, I want to show you what actually really surprised me with this bag. So I say this from before, in which I'm someone who really doesn't have the best first aid knowledge. And after sorting through this bag, it actually makes it really easy to understand what you need in case an emergency happens. So what we have here, first tab is the personal. So if you open up the personal, this is just like your own personal care where you can stuff your own vitamins or bandages inside of here. You also have a plastic bag and you also have a cold pack. Now, in addition to the labels, it makes it really easy that all the actual sealed items are labeled as well to kind of guide you on what you need. So this right here is like a big overview of what you need fast. So you see everything as far as labels. So you have wound dressing, where it's for major wounds. You have triangular bandages, which is for sling, pressure, head bandages. You have stability aids, which is for wounds, sprains, snake bites. You have conforming bandages, which is light support slash securing. Gloves for infection protection. So it's kind of like a label, but it also gives you that guidance on what to use this for. You have pencils, and this is a huge addition, okay? So obviously, I mean, it depends on like how much of an emergency is actually happening. But of course, you're not going to read through this. I mean, you might read through it if it's not like a medical emergency and actually see what you need to do. But this right here is absolutely key. I think this is such a phenomenal addition to this first aid kit, especially for someone like me who doesn't really have first aid knowledge. But it kind of helps you or guides you as far as what to do in the event of emergency. This little first aid booklet is such a great addition that I haven't seen other first aid kits provide before. But in addition to the first aid booklet, I absolutely love the labeling system. I feel like this really took it up a notch when it comes to knowing what to grab in case of various different medical events. So with this, you have wounds, lacerations, triple antibiotic ointment, eye pads, cotton gauze, combined dressing. I'd say that this right here, where you just open it once and you can easily scan what you need right off the bat. That right there is absolutely golden when it comes to this first aid kit. So I was very, very impressed by it. I think this is great for beginners, and not only beginners, but even medical professionals as well. But check it out for yourselves. Let's go ahead and move on to the next first aid kit.